Hi everyone, I'm Jodi. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to something really exciting for the Halloween season. If you're like me and you love all things beauty and makeup and glitz and glamour, then this will be really fun to just look at things a little bit differently through the eyes of special effects makeup. As you may know, I have been taking the Online Makeup Academy courses for over 2 years now, simply because I wanted to be the best makeup artist I could be in order to bring you guys new tips and tricks and techniques, and I wanted to know more about how to do shading and contouring, and more specifically, how to make makeup work on our more mature skin. So as I went through the Online Makeup Academy courses that were phenomenal, they're online, but you have to do homework assignments and turn them in and get critiqued on your application of different shadings and colors. And because it's online, you can go back and watch the video of specific parts of courses over and over and over again. And if you're like me, maybe you need to do it a few times in order for it to really sink in. Not only do these classes include things like bridal makeup or how to apply makeup on dry skin, it's also how to do a glam look, how to do a smoky eye. It's all there. And so when they came out with this new class, the special effects class, I could not wait to get my hands on these tutorials, because sometimes we want to put glitz and glamour aside and we want to just look at the, gore and the blood and the bruising. Okay, not really. That's not something I look forward to looking at unless it's close to Halloween. If you have seen some of those really cool Halloween makeup looks and ever thought, gosh, how do they do that? Even some of the special effects from Hollywood movies, I'm here to tell you, it's all right here in these courses. It teaches you everything you need to know. So let me take a step back and walk you through what I have learned so far and what is still ahead in these courses that I haven't even uncovered yet. And most importantly, how easy it is to take these courses at my own pace. These makeup special effects courses are really easy to do. Once you are assigned your courses, you can go through and see exactly what the course is called. Here's a great one, Lesson 6, Special Effects versus Beauty. And you just hit start.
It is vastly helpful to have knowledge in the beauty world or in the FX world, and they can intertwine with one another.
They teach you how to create everything gory for that special effects look or for Halloween.
Think of highlighting and shadowing and contouring. Black is going to be a color that's going to make and give things depth and make things recede, whereas light colors are going to pull things more forward. So you can balance what you're doing to make things more 3D. Balancing a dark and a light next to the other will give more of a 3D effect than just one solid tone.
Like bruises, cuts, scabs, even gunshot wounds. And then they teach you how to take it all off. And before you go on to the next section, there's a homework assignment. When I first signed up for this course, I got a box full of special effects makeup, all included in the price. Every special effects product that you could possibly need when going through and doing these online tutorials. The SFX kit that you get comes complete with everything that you could possibly need to create so many of these great looks. From so many different skin tones. The kit also includes cutthroat prosthetics, liquid latex to make sure you can get those prosthetics to work just the way the course teaches you, liquid adhesive, another complete palette to perfect your look. From professional translucent setting powder to how to create the perfectly colored white or gray hair. And to really make things gory, you get squirt blood, coagulated blood, and stage blood. 3D gel to create realistic 3D effects, gum or sticky tack removal, a barrier spray, nicotine to give the look of bad teeth or even bloody teeth, plenty of makeup brushes, as well as makeup remover, and plenty of cleaner to clean your brushes. And the extra fun part, a bald cap, a foam prosthetic face mask. I'd love to be able to create the beast. And for even more special effects, here's some really cool wounds. And plenty of extra learning resources. Here's one on the professional aging techniques. I think I've got that one nailed. And here's even more looks that you can create, and everything that you need is in this kit. This is such an exciting time to join the FSX class because this is the first time that they are including the kit with everything that you need and so much more to create every special effect look you could have possibly imagined. Even though the instructors are very detailed, they talk at a pace that allows you to not only understand what they're saying, but they teach it so that you're able to go through the motions step by step with them. I wanted to dip my toe in it and start simple, so I decided to start to create a bruise. By watching the instructor as she demonstrated not only which product she used, but the technique that she used as well, I was able to go step by step, apply the same products that she was using because it came in my kit that I received when I signed up. And then, just like that, at the end of the video, I had what I thought looked pretty darn good. Online Makeup Academy isn't just for those of us that want to learn how to do makeup for our own special, unique reasons, but they offer courses that allow you to become a professional makeup artist. There's beginner courses, there's advanced master courses, which I'm really looking forward to completing as soon as I get through the special effects courses. They also offer things like pro hairstyling courses. Online Makeup Academy has really been a fantastic resource for me, an average everyday person who wanted to change careers, become a beauty YouTuber, and learn more about makeup, its application, which products work well with which products, how to look at the different shapes of the face, and then there's added bonuses like these great special effects programs. So whether you're looking to make a career change or you are a student of the makeup business and just love to learn, check out the Online Makeup Academy. Use my discount code so that you can get a discount and enjoy all the cool courses that are available no matter what your skill level is. Well, I'm gonna get back to the special effects makeup and see if I can't freak out my husband at least one more time today. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video.